Hey everyone, welcome to this special interview. Today we have Mr. Fazlur Rahman, my brother, who is here to talk about his creation, and I am Nazma with you. So, over this interview, we will talk about his book which is being ready for the launch. But wait, this launch is not for everyone. This book, Hey Dropshipping, yes, it's for someone very special on this special day. So it says, Hey Dropshipping, a low investment guide to make millions in e-commerce.
Thank you, Najma. I'm really happy and overwhelmed with joy to be here, and I'm glad that you're also here with me on this special occasion.
So let's talk about the special occasion. 7th April 2024. Today marks the 66th birthday of our beloved father. So first, would love to dedicate this book to our father. Yes, this book is available only for the special man today, and soon it will be available for all of you. Hey Fuzz, congratulations on your book. So I know your first book was on SEO, search engine optimization, and now this book is on dropshipping. Could you please share us your journey as an entrepreneur and what inspired you to write this book?
Sure. My journey as an entrepreneur has started 14 years ago, where I established my digital marketing agency. Along this 14 years, I've worked with thousands of businesses and hundreds of dropshipping and e-commerce businesses, where we have scaled them and we brought in multiple $1 million of revenue. To be precise, more than $144 million of revenue for our clients. Now, later, few years ago, I also created a course on dropshipping, right? Where I train people in terms of dropshipping. These are entrepreneurs, who are getting started with dropshipping, or entrepreneurs who have established their store and wanted to take their next step. They wanted to take their store to the next level, right? But when I saw that, I wanted to recommend them a comprehensive guide, which I found was not available. Yeah, I've literally studied more than 25 books on dropshipping, and I found that there has not been a very comprehensive guide which I can just take and give it to my students and say that, hey guys, now that the course is over and this is your guide to dropshipping or e-commerce. That's when I thought, why not I write a book which will cover every single aspects of dropshipping, right from your why, like why should I start, what is your why, to choosing the right product, what should be the platforms that people should start it, whether it should be a WordPress or a Shopify, right? And then how to master the ads and bring in sales and to everything. So that is the reason why I started and I wrote this book, Hey Dropshipping.
Wow, that's very inspiring. Yes, I myself read the book and it has lots of actionable advices, checklists, and even you've included around 200 ideas about how to kickstart the dropshipping journey. Yes, so tell us what's more special about this book.
Well, what makes this book special, or what makes this book very practical? I would say, what makes this very practical is this book is born out of a lot of research. I've done a huge amount of research, and I've also put in my 14 years of experience working with hundreds of brands and hundreds of visionary clients, because my clients, they are visionary. They have a vision to take their, e-commerce venture or a dropshipping venture to the next level. So I have put in all these things and created this guide. So this guide has got checklist, your dropshipping checklist. You have got product suggestions. You got a list of websites and directories to go and find your perfect dropshipping suppliers, right? And this is not a normal book, it's a practical guide, right? And every single person who purchases this book will have access to the mobile app as a companion app to take their dropshipping venture to the next level. So that is,
Yes, so I could see that you have included some exclusive bonus, which includes the ultimate e-commerce success checklist, the mobile app access, and your video course on dropshipping for 50% free.
Yeah.
Yes, so can I also unveil something?
yeah.
Yeah, so if I'm to buy this book before end of this month, the course is free, which is of worth $100. And there is something else, free drop shipping, store and business audit for the first 1,000 readers. Grab it on, friends. It's clear that you poured your heart and soul in writing this book. I've also read the dedication part you wrote for our father. It's incredibly moving. Could you please tell us the story behind that?
Yeah. So, see, growing along, our father has been my inspiration, and without him, I wouldn't have reached where I have. So, I felt that it is. I feel that no amount of act can compensate the contribution that he has done to my life. So I felt, one way of honoring is by dedicating this book to his name. Yeah. Generally, I'm not a person who generally celebrates birthdays and all these things, but the 66th birthday is a special occasion, I feel, and I felt that it would be thoughtful for me to dedicate this on this occasion. One thing which my father always says is that a Tirukural, which he says, Tandai Magar Katrum Udavi and Magan Tandai Katrum Udavi, like the favor or the help what a father should do to a son, and what a son should do to his or her father, right? So that has been deeply rooted in me, growing along. So that's why I have also included this two Tirukural in my book. So yeah.
Yeah. So as a sister, I witnessed the great impact our father have had in your life. It's beautiful to see that you're honoring him this way, and especially on his 66th birthday. Let me read the dedication for our viewers.
Sure.
So here is the dedication part. To my beloved father, my hero, my guiding light. On this momentous occasion of your 66th birthday, I dedicate this book to you, a token of my eternal gratitude and love. Wow. You have been the unwavering pillar of strength whose selfless sacrifices and tireless efforts paved the way for me to pursue my dreams fearlessly. Your wisdom, values, and relentless work ethic have been the bedrock upon which I built my life, inspiring me to strive for excellence in all my endeavors. Through the highest peaks and the deepest valleys, your unconditional love and belief in me never wavered, empowering me to conquer every obstacle that came my way. May the words within these pages honor your legacy. This book is a humble testament to the profound impact you have had on shaping the person I am today, a living embodiment of the invaluable lessons you taught me. May the words within these pages honor your legacy and serve as a reminder of the boundless potential that can be unleashed when nurtured by a father's love. You fulfilled your duty as a parent with unparalleled love and devotion, as beautifully captured in the ancient Tamil wisdom in the book of Tirukural, Tandai Magarkatrum Nandri Avayathu Mundi Iruppa Cheyal. The father's duty to his son is to make him sit before the learned. Now it's my turn to honor your legacy and pay forward the immense love and support you have given me, as eloquently expressed in another Thirukural. மகன் தந்தை காற்றும் உதவி இவன் தந்தை என்னோற்றான் கொல்லெனும் சொல். The help that son renders to his father is to make others exclaim, by what great penance did he get such a son? On this special day and forevermore, I express external gratitude and admiration for you, the man who made my dreams possible. Happy 66th birthday, Father. This book is for you, a heartfelt tribute to the extraordinary Father who made me who I am. With eternal love and gratitude, your son. Thank you for sharing your remarkable story and heartfelt dedication with us. I'm sure your book will inspire and guide many aspiring entrepreneurs in their journey. Happy birthday to our beloved father and congratulations, Fazlul.
Thank you very much. I'm really glad and I'm happy that you are here with me in this journey and sharing this moment with me. Thank you.
Yeah, to get your copy of this book, Hey Dropshipping, please visit fazlulrahman.com/Hey Dropshipping, and the link is given in the description. Thank you.